In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily preserve the last live photo setting on your iPhone's camera. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, let me show you how we can change live photo setting on a camera app. So let me show you from the beginning. So first off, I'm gonna open up camera app, and once camera app is opened, we can turn on or off live mode on a camera by tapping at that button. Now live mode is turned on, however, we can easily turn it off by tapping at the same icon. When it is crossed out, it means that live photo mode is currently turned off. And the thing here is that when we, let's say when we turn off live photo, and now if we close camera app and then if we open it up again after a while, it will reset live photo settings to its defaults. So if we open up camera, let's say after even 30 seconds, the live photo settings will be resetted to default, so live photo mode will be again turned on. However, now I'm gonna show you how we can easily preserve that settings. To do that, head over to our device settings and then scroll all the way down until you find camera. You will be taken to that page where you can easily find preserve settings. And now just scroll down to the very bottom where you can easily find live photo. All you have to do is just turn it on, and once it is turned on, it will preserve the last photo setting rather than automatically reset it to live photo turned on. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.